Hello everyone, you're welcome to today's video. And in today's video, we're going to learn how to convert our personal Facebook profile into a page. There are so many good reasons why you would want to convert your personal Facebook profile into a page. So if you're wondering how this is done, or you want to know how to convert your personal Facebook profile into a page, stay tuned. We grab our phones and scroll to our Facebook app. So this is my Facebook app, and then as you can see, this is my personal Facebook profile. So we'll go and click on our profile. You can find that at the top right corner of your screen. Here, there's it. So tap on it. As you can see, this is my personal profile. So once it opens, scroll down to settings and privacy. So tap on it, and then the next thing you would want to click on is settings. So click on settings. Then you would come to where they've written account here, just right under the account, and tap on personal information. Once you tap on personal information, the next thing you would want to do is to click on your name. We have my name here, Mandea M. Michael. So just tap on it and wait for it to load. Okay, so once you tap on it and it opens, you can see there's a piece of information here, and it reads, you can't change your name on Facebook right now because you have changed it in the last 60 days. You can still change the order, and they've written learn more. So tap on learn more. Once it opens, you're going to see a whole lot of writings. You can take your time to read through everything, but for the sake of time, we are just going to scroll to the portion that would send us to our destination. So you scroll down, and then just right here, you see, if you are still having trouble changing your name, you can fill out this form to request a name change and confirm your name. So here we're just going to click on the fill out this form that they've written in blueprint. So tap on it and wait for it to load. So once it opens, you're going to scroll down, okay, to the last information here, and it reads, note that timelines are for personal use only. If you are trying to change your account name in order to represent a business or organization, or to represent yourself as a public figure, you should create a page or convert this account to a page. So this is what we are trying to achieve. That is by converting this our personal profile into a page. So you click on it. But before you even click on it, if this is the first time you are seeing my video, kindly subscribe to my channel. Don't also forget to turn on the notification bell so that anytime I post a video, you will be the first to be notified. So once you click on convert this account to a page, let me just do that. Okay. It is supposed to send you to a page that will finally give you the steps to convert your personal profile into a page. But unfortunately, Facebook has taken off this particular feature. So before, you could convert your profile into a page here, but Facebook has taken it off. I believe it's just a temporary error, which I'm very sure they are working on fixing. But as soon as Facebook brings back this particular feature, I will do another video to update it, so you wouldn't want to miss the next video I'll be doing in case Facebook updates this feature. It's a temporary problem, they would fix it. So just subscribe to this channel. Hopefully Facebook would fix it, and I'll do a video for that. So thank you so much for watching, and then see you in the next video.